Hello everyone, this is my synchronous interview. So the very first question asked to me was, tell me about yourself. So my name is Tushar Srivastava and I'm from Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh, and currently I'm studying at Gadgodias University and I'm pursuing BBA in Logistics and Supply Chain Management from there, and I'm in my final year. And apart from that, I'm also part of various clubs, like I'm the head of Galgodia's Music Club and I'm the member of Galgodia's Management Club, and I've also done so many internships related to my field of logistics and supply chain management, and also done and work on so many projects which is related to logistics and supply chain management. Apart from that, currently I'm volunteer at Hamari Pehchan NGO, and I've also played cricket for Uttar Pradesh under 14 and under 16. And I would like to say one thing about myself. I try towards challenge and look for an opportunity in the market so that I keep on growing and improving myself. Now coming to the next question, why should we hire you? With a due respect, I don't know so much about the others. As far as I know, all the members who are selected by the card cave are good. But if you ask about me, after going through all the job description and reading all the job responsibilities, I think that I have that skill set which make me stand out from the crowd. Like I have that multitasking skill which is required for that job. I have that interpersonal skill which is required to deal with the client. I have that team leadership skills which are required to handle the member of 25 people or more than that even. And I have that analytical skills which are required for the job. So I think I'm well adapted to the entire situation and hence I'm the right fit for the job. Now coming to the next question, what are my greatest strength and weakness? Now first talking about the strengths, I believe in versatility. Like I love to do lots of things in various fields, so I'm versatile in nature. I love to take initiatives and deal from front, and I have that interpersonal skills because I'm the part of various clubs. I have grown this skill while that, and I have that multitasking skill. Now coming to my weaknesses, I'm little impatient, or you can say I'm very deadline conscious person. Like if you can give me a task to complete in 1 week, I'll try to complete in 4 to 5 days. Now coming to the next weakness, I'm very interfering in nature. Like if I saw somewhere that the work is not done with its full efficiency, or the work is not done in a right manner, uh, I directly interfere that person. There is no second thought in my mind before interrupting him. I am too detail oriented as well. I love to go into details, and there are so many people who do not like to get into details, but I'm not like that. And coming to the next question is, tell me about a recent project I have worked on. So I have worked on many important projects throughout my career, but the recently I worked the project on which I worked on was competitiveness of e-commerce companies. So basically, I have defined two problem statement of which I have found a root cause. The very first problem statement is, what are the basic must required that e-commerce companies must have in order to enter the market. And the second problem statement was, regardless of industry, what are the relevant factors necessary for competitiveness of e-commerce companies? And for the solution of this, I have made a model, integrated model we can say, for e-commerce companies, in which I have defined all the possible source of competitiveness and all the resources which are required for competing in an e-commerce business. Now the next question is, tell me about big mistake and how I dealt with it and what I have learned from that. So the major mistake I have done as a part of a Galgodia's music club, the college assigned me. There was an event in my college, and the college assigned me the work to check over all the activities and to check that the event organized very smoothly. So what mistake I've done there was, I tried to do all the things by myself. I've not assigned any work to anyone. So what problem I faced there, that in between the event there's a problem with the sound. So how I dealt with it, I immediately called the sound experts of the Galgutias Music Club to deal with the problem, and they done a very good job. And what I've learned from that is that teamwork is very essential in order to get success in anything. Like teamwork is something which you have to have in order to get success. Now coming to the next question, how I personally execute work from home. So work from home is something which is very trending in these days, or we can say it is a requirement, it is a need nowadays. Now how I personally execute is, I set my time, I scheduled my day in a way that on what time I have to work and what time I have not to work. I maintain a proper workplace environment so that there is no distraction. I'm not got distracted by anything. I organize my each and everything which is required during my work. I don't allow anyone to come in the room where I was working. And now coming to the last question is, what do you like to do outside the work? So I love to reach HBR articles because I get a lot of insights. What is going on in the world, and what are the new technologies which are coming in the marketplace, so that I can learn that technology, and I make myself up to date according to the environment. And I also love to attend a lot of webinars and seminars which provide me some knowledge which are relevant to my career, and which help me in developing myself, whether it is personal or professional growth. And I love to communicate to persons who are successful as well as not successful in their lives, so that I know that what I have to do and what not I have to do in order to get success. And being a member of Galguria's music club, I love to play guitar and sing song. This is something which I used to do on daily basis. Thank you so much. I hope you like it.